All right, so we are still here at Chili Coffee at this park during this heat wave. And while I have nothing to do and I don't want to go to a laundromat, I am doing hobo laundry out of the river. I took 2 gallon jugs, cut the tip off with the handle, got a rinse bucket, and we are doing some hobo laundry. It is warming up here. It's probably about 11 o'clock. It's nice in the mornings and the late night, but man, from about noon till 10 o'clock at night, it is hot. Make sure my nice and clean. And now let's rinse it. Yeah, this is how you could do some hobo laundry out here in the wild. We don't have a washing machine. Another good idea is to use these, you still get them in your state, which they do here, and just do it out in the river and fill it up with water as long as there's not a bunch of holes in it, and just sit there and rock it back and forth with the handles. But again, I don't want to soap up the river. If it was a fast moving river, I wouldn't mind putting a little bit of soap in there, because this volume of soap versus how much volume of water is in there isn't going to do anything. And it's dawn. It's not like it's super harmful. And it's weird that not a lot of places sell Bonner. That is rinsed enough. Wring it out. And I got a spot over here. I'm going to hang dry everything. It will be warm enough to definitely dry today. Smells laundry fresh. Dirty sock, no longer. Yeah, that's how we do some laundry out here. Cheers.